Welcome to the today's presentation presented by M. Jamuna Rani, Assistant Professor, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to know about the data warehousing. First of all, now let us know what is data repository. A data repository is also known as a data library or data archive. This is a general term to refer to a data set isolated to be mined for data reporting and analysis. The data repository is a large database infrastructure that collects, manages, and stores data sets for data analysis. For example, data warehouse, data lakes, and data marts, and so on. We will see the types of data repositories. There are 5 types of data repository in data warehousing, and they are as follows. The first one is relational database. The second one, data warehouse. The third one is data lakes. And fourth, data marts. The last one is operational data stores. The first one is relational database. A relational database is a collection of information that organizes data in predefined relationships where data is stored in one or more tables. A relational database is denoted as RDB, is a way of structuring information in tables, rows, and columns. For example, there are many kinds of databases out there. Now, just take an Excel workbook which is composed of spreadsheets that contains tables, rows, and columns. This is a pictorial representation of relational database. In this, the student details are included. The first column of database is contains the student names. Different types of students names are there. The second database is student courses, that is student ID and course IDs are included. The third database contains courses, different types of courses. It is a for example of relational database. The second one is data warehouse. A data warehouse is a large central data repository that gathers data from several sources or business segments. The stored data is generally used for reporting and analysis to help users make critical business decisions. The main objective of a data warehouse is to establish a connection between data from current systems. It is an example of data warehousing. In this diagram, it contains different data sources. The different data are synchronized in single warehouse to extract, transform, and loading process. Then it is segregated for visualization, reporting, and business intelligence. The third one is data lakes. A data lake is a unified data repository that allows you to store structured, semi-structured, and unstructured enterprise data at any scale. Data can be in raw form and used for different tasks like reporting, visualizations, advanced analytics, and machine learning. In this diagram, the data lake pattern is represented like first of all, the data is in raw format and it transforms to the segregated formats of each need of data. A data lake enables companies to store and analyze all types of information, including unstructured and structured relational data. Many users throughout the organization can use the data lake to get answers to different business questions, including new questions that are triggered by changing business conditions. The fourth one is data marts. A data mart is a subject-oriented data repository, often a segregated section of a data warehouse. It holds a subset of data usually aligned with a specific business department such as marketing, finance, or support. Just think of a large retail organization. Data marts might exist for a major lines of business, but other marts could be designed for specific products. For example, seasonal products, lawn and garden, or toys. This diagram represents the structure of the data mart. The single data warehouse is segregated for the different individual usages like supply chain, human resources, and finance. Let us see the data warehouse. A data warehouse can also be viewed as a database for historical data from different functions within a company. It was coined by Billion Inman in 1990, in which he defined in the following ways. A data warehouse is a first of all subject oriented, it is integrated and time variant, non volatile. The data warehouse having seven components. The first one is data sourcing, cleanup, transformation, and migration tools. The second one is metadata repository. The third one, warehouse or database technology. The fourth one is data marts. Already we'll see that. Data query, reporting, analysis, and mining tool. Data warehouse administration and management. Information delivery system. The data warehouse applications are banking, government, manufacturing, production and distribution, retail data management, healthcare, data storage, learning analysis in education, and underwriting in insurance. So, we are briefly known about the relational database and the data marts and data warehouse also. Thank you.